Happy birthday, Tita Hilda! Wala, ito na, nagkasubukan na eh. Kahiyaan na lang. Soundcheck.
Palakpakan everyone for Mr. Romero.
Tita Hilda, happy birthday!
Tagal na.
Wala nang tagay.
Aray ko!
Thanks to me that I could never see that you are someone. I give myself to you, and no matter what you do, I promise you mine. Okay lang po ba?
Okay lang, pare.
I feel around you. I want you to know I need you like I never needed anyone before. And I'll live my life for you. I won't be by your side. And everything that you do, there's only one thing you can believe into. I live my life. Oh.
Kikikilig si ate.
I dedicate my life to you, and the time for you. Oh, love would last forever, and I'll always be with you. And there's nothing we can do as long as we're together. Just can't live without you, and I want you to know I need you like I've never needed anyone before. I live my life for you. I wanna be by your side, and everything that you do, there's only one thing you can believe into. I live my life for you. Ano, tutuloy ko po ba o tama na?
Yes.
Tita, I love you. Happy birthday.
Tagal na, pare.